Are you tired of traditional cake boxes that hide the beauty of your delectable creations? Well, look no further. Introducing the Round PVC Material Transparent Cake Box, proudly brought to you by Topserve Limited. Let's dive into why this cake box is a game-changer. With our round transparent cake box, you no longer have to compromise on style or functionality. Let's start with the obvious, transparency. Imagine showcasing your stunning cakes and tantalizing pastries, all while protecting them in a crystal-clear, see-through container. Convenience is another key aspect. The easy-to-assemble design saves you precious time and effort. With its secure interlocking system, you can trust that your cakes will be held firmly in place. Plus, the box is easy to disassemble, making it simple to clean and reuse whenever you need it. This round PVC cake box is not just about aesthetics. It's designed to provide exceptional protection for your baked goods. Crafted from high-quality PVC material, it offers durability and sturdiness, ensuring your delicate creations remain safe during transportation or storage. At Topserve, we prioritize both functionality and sustainability. Whether you're a professional baker looking to showcase your creations or a home baker wanting to impress your family, this cake box is your secret ingredient for success. So, why settle for ordinary cake boxes when you can elevate your presentation with the round transparent cake box from any outlet of Topserve? Show off your baking skills, protect your delicate treats, and leave a lasting impression. Visit our store today and get your hands on this game-changing cake box. Experience the convenience, style, and functionality that our round PVC cake box offers. Trust Topserve Limited to provide you with top-quality baking essentials for all your sweet creations. Topserve Limited, your baking solution partner.